Let's learn English.
Activity 1. Stick the national flags of 10 ASEAN membership states beside the right names of those countries. 1. Brunei Darussalam. 2. Cambodia. 3. Indonesia. 4. Laos. 5. Malaysia. 6. Myanmar. 7. The Philippines. 8. Singapore. 9. Thailand. 10. Vietnam. Unit 5, Being part of ASEAN. Skills, Reading. Objectives. Vocabulary.
Independence. Motto. Integrate. Dispute. To come into force. Constitution. Independence. Motto. Integrate. Dispute. To come into force. Constitution.
Identity. Motto. Come into force. In accordance with. Dispute. Legal. Affair. Internal. Activity 2, match the headings, 1 to 5, with the paragraphs, A, E. ASEAN stands for the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, which was formed on August 8, 1967, in Bangkok, Thailand by Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Brunei Darussalam became the sixth member in 1984, right after its independence. In 1995, Vietnam became the seventh member. Laos and Myanmar joined the bloc in 1997, and Cambodia joined 2 years later. The bloc has a land area of 4.46 million square kilometer and a population of about 600 million people. Its sea area is about 3 times larger than its land area. ASEAN would rank as the 8th largest economy in the world if it were a single country. Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, the Philippines and Vietnam are called the 6 majors. These countries are the 6 largest economies in the region. ASEAN aims at promoting economic growth, social progress and cultural development. At the same time, it focuses on protecting regional peace and stability, and providing opportunities for its member states to discuss differences peacefully. The bloc's motto is, "One vision, one identity, one community." The ASEAN Charter came into force on December 15, 2008. It is the constitution of ASEAN and the 10 member states must act in accordance with it. After entering into force on December 15, 2008, the Charter has become a legal agreement among the 10 ASEAN member states. Its main principles include respect for the member states' independence and non-interference in their internal affairs. ASEAN organizes different projects and activities to integrate its members. These include educational awards, and various cultural and sports activities. Examples of these are the Singapore-sponsored ASEAN Scholarships, the Southeast Asian Games, the ASEAN Para Games, the ASEAN Schools Games and the ASEAN Football Championship.
Activity 3. Find the words or expressions in the text that have the following meanings.
Charter. Non-interference. Motto. Respect. Activity 4. Read the text and answer the questions. 1. Which were the first 5 members of ASEAN? 2. When did the other states join the bloc? 3. How big is ASEAN? 4. What are the 6 majors? 5. What is ASEAN's motto? 6. What are the main principles of the ASEAN Charter? 7. How does the bloc integrate its state member? Activity 5. Look at the numbers, words and phrases, then summarize the main points about ASEAN.
Activity 6. Work in groups of 5. Each student in the group focuses on one paragraph and tries to remember as many details as possible. Then close your book and quiz each other to see how much you have remembered. 1. Which were the first 5 members of Asean? 2. What does Asean stand for? 3. When was the bloc formed? 4. When did Vietnam join Asean? 5. Which countries joined the bloc in 1997? 6. What are the 6 majors? 7. How big is Asean? 8. What is Asean's motto? 9. What are the main principles of the Asean Charter? 10. Can you name some examples of the projects and activities that Asean organize? 11. When did the Asean Charter come into force? Consolidation. Homework.
Thank you for watching.
Please, press the like and subscribe button.